Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala Rasulil Kareem. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. Let me begin by expressing my deep gratitude to the Islamic Republic of Iran and the United States of America for responding to the call made by Prime Minister of Pakistan, Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, for an immediate ceasefire in the region, as well as for accepting Prime Minister's invitation for holding peace talks in Islamabad. The delegation of the United States of America was headed by the U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance, and the delegation of the Islamic Republic of Iran was headed by Speaker of the Iranian Parliament, Bakhar Ghalibaf, arrived yesterday in Pakistan to participate in Islamabad talks. I, along with the Chief of Defense Forces and Army Chief, Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, helped mediate several rounds of intense and constructive negotiations between the two sides that continued through the last 24 hours and ended this morning. On behalf of Pakistan, I would like to express gratitude to the two sides for appreciating Pakistan's efforts to help achieve the ceasefire and its mediatory role. We hope that the two sides continue with the positive spirit to achieve durable peace and prosperity for the entire region and beyond. It is imperative that the parties continue to uphold their commitment to ceasefire. Pakistan has been and will continue to play its role to facilitate engagement and dialogue between the Islamic Republic of Iran and the United States of America in the days to come. I thank you all.